Hey guys, this is Ira and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make caramel sauce. Now caramel sauce is mostly used in desserts like chocolates or ice creams, or you can put them on top of tarts, and it's really good. Now caramel sauce, it's very easy to make, but the tricky part comes when you have to cook it just right. A little overcooking or undercooking can spoil its taste as well as its texture. So the things we're gonna need are 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, then 1/3 cup of heavy cream, some vanilla essence, some lemon, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of butter. So now we're gonna place our saucepan and we're gonna keep it in low flame so that we don't burn our caramel. To this we're gonna add our half cup water. And our sugar, and we're going to stir it so that it melts. Okay, now at this stage we'll add our lemon, so just to prevent crystallization, and stir it again and keep swirling it so that it doesn't burn. Okay, now that you can see the sugar is caramelizing, it has turned a bit of golden, so you just have to keep on swirling so that it doesn't burn on the side and it's uniformly cooked. So we're gonna wait for a bit longer so that the caramel is a bit reddish brown in color, and that's when we know that we have got the perfect caramelization. So now we're gonna remove it from the flame and add our heavy cream. Now this is a tricky part because you need to add cream while continuously stirring it so that it mixes well. Now make sure it's gonna be really hot, and this is really normal. Continuously mix it. Ah, it smells so nice. Now we'll put it back on the stove and we're going to add our butter to give it a glossy texture, and our vanilla essence. And stir it. So our caramel sauce is ready. As you can see, it's so flowy and so creamy and so soft, and it smells so good. I'll just eat it from this pan right away. So this is my final product, my caramel sauce. Now you can use it with ice creams, chocolates, whatever you wish. So thank you for watching my show and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.